Okay, now I'm going to explain to you how to use menus. I'm going to do that by walking you through the home page and showing you all the different, widgets, and walking you through all the different ways we've used widgets on the home page. Hopefully that'll give you just a taste of how widgets work. They're a little complicated, so it might take some further explanation after this video, but this will at least give you an understanding of how it works on the home page. So you go to your dashboard, you want to go to Appearance, click Widgets. Alright, so you've got the home page, and you can see how the home page is utilizing these widgets here. Widgets are all listed on the left side, and whichever one you want to use, all you have to do is click it and drag it over to whatever you're working in. So we've used widgets in homepage, the blog sidebar, a page sidebar, event sidebar, and footer. I'm just going to stick to homepage because I think that covers most of the different elements. Alright, so the first thing you see under your homepage is banners. So we already walked through banners. That's this section right here. So if you want banners to appear on your homepage, you just click it and drag it over. So that's how it's appearing right now, and we're using the home banner set. Okay, then if you scroll down, the next thing you notice on your home page is this section here. So that's going to be your responsive grid. So again, if you want this kind of styling, you'd find responsive grid under your widgets and drag it over. Alright, this is where it gets a little complicated. You've got your events list, that's upcoming events. So if you were to click edit, it's going to show, you want to show 3, which it does here. These are the 3 most upcoming events. And then if you scroll down, the other thing you're going to see is this section here. If you were to edit that, you'd see that it says concert series as the title, sub-headline here, and then you've got your 4 different concert series images here, which when you hover over show a different color. So you could edit those colors here, you could edit the images, you can edit the title that appears, and eventually whatever link you want those to link to, you'd put here. So you've got your title and subtitle, which are here, and then each series has its own title and subtitle, and then each series also has its own image and color. Alright, so that's that responsive grid section. Then you keep going down, we've got the background block. So that's this green block here. That green block is actually a background image that we uploaded. You can change that right here. And then you've got your text here, which appears kind of like HTML. Don't worry about all this coding and all of these tags, carets and such. You just want to focus on the content, which you can find just by carefully looking and making sure you're editing only the actual content itself, not any of this tagging and coding. Okay, next thing, scroll down, we've got these icons, icon blocks. So we've got the 3 icon blocks, which have their background colors. You can edit here. You've got the title, and then you've got this content. So pretty straightforward, and then you can upload a different icon if you don't like the ones you've chosen. Again, that's how it works for all 3 of those icons and the images. Alright, so that's that section, and this is the you can edit the image for each area as well. Okay, so we continue scrolling down, then we come to this education and community section. So title is education and community, HTML, text here. And then after that, we've got another responsive grid, which each one of these sections is each of these sections here. So you'd go in and edit them by cell. So like this is the first one, which is families. And you can, again, avoid editing any of the area that looks like code and just focus on that area that looks like the actual content on the text content. And that's all 4 of those sections, families all the way through adults. Click Save after each of your widgets that you edit. Then you keep scrolling down. The last thing you've got is these features here, which is the video feature, and then you've got your social feature. You can edit those there, and then click save. I think, sorry, it just disappeared on me. But that's a brief overview of widgets. We can go over that more fully in person, and hopefully I'll give you guys a better understanding of how to edit each, or how to use each of these different widgets. I can go over the footer real quick with you too. So we've got 2 custom menus, which those are edited in menus, which I have a separate video explaining that. Then you've got your contact information, which is just this list of information, list of text, which is very easy to edit. And then ask a question, which is one of the contact forms, which is already pre-programmed. All right, so that's widgets.